In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello account. First, go to Trello and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you use more than one Trello or Atlassian account. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you into the area where your account details and preferences are managed. After that, scroll down until you reach the Account section. Here, you should see an option to manage or delete your Atlassian account. Go ahead and click that option. At this point, Trello redirects you to your broader Atlassian account settings, since Trello accounts are tied to Atlassian. Once you're there, look for Account Preferences and open it. This is where Atlassian places the option to permanently remove your account. Now find the Delete Account option and click it. You'll usually be shown a confirmation screen, because deleting your account is a permanent action. Read the message carefully so you understand what will be removed and what access you'll lose. If you're sure you want to continue, click Delete Account again to confirm. That's the full process for deleting a Trello account. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One quick thing to keep in mind: if the Delete Account button is unavailable or you can't click it, that usually means your account is still actively being used in some way. For example, you may still belong to active workspaces, have ongoing access to products under Atlassian, or have account-related activity that needs to be resolved first. In that case, you may need to leave certain workspaces or stop using connected Atlassian services before the delete option becomes available. It's also a good idea to review anything important in your Trello boards before you delete the account. Once the account is removed, you may lose access to boards, cards, attachments, and account history tied to that profile. If there's anything you might need later, take care of that before confirming deletion. So again, the path is simple. Log into Trello. Click your profile avatar. Open Settings. Scroll to the Account section. Choose the option to manage or delete your Atlassian account. Go into Account Preferences, and then select Delete Account and confirm it one more time. And that's it. You now know how to delete a Trello account. Congratulations!